Hello everyone, so please stay tuned till the end of the video to see how I was able to achieve this amazing meal. Stay tuned.
Yeah, so here are our ingredients. We have the pishori rice. Yes, I've already sorted it out. I'll just wash. Then boiled beef. I've boiled it. Then the garlic and ginger paste. Then my mixed spices. Yeah, the spices, it's just, it comes with everything, so I'll just use them one touch. Then tomato paste. Then my roughly chopped onions. Yes, so let's get into business. Yes, so meanwhile I'm boiling my water for the pilau. As you always know, you have to use hot water. Yeah, so see you in a few.
If you get to enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. So our very first step, I'll cook my onions over heat and oil, and then until they are fully caramelized, like until they turn golden brown and a bit crispy. Yeah, so let's do that first. So yeah, remember this is my way of cooking. People have different ways, so if you get to vibe with it, then why not? Now, so at this point, this is where I added my boiled beef. Yes, as you all know, as you have seen from my ingredients, we are making beef pilau. So now I'll add in my so tender boiled beef. It is very tender, trust me. Yeah, please make sure when you're boiling your beef for pilau, it is so tender as possible. Don't give people bulgums in the name of meat. Yeah, so anyway, now I usually add the meat first, then followed by the garlic, and then I just stir fry. That's just my way. That's how I like it. Yeah. Then let me give you a hack or a trick. Like, just try this. Put oil, onions while cooking, like any meat dish, for example. Like, get used to this routine of putting oil, onions, and then adding your spices to burn in the oil. Like, it usually gives a very awesome taste. It's like marinating the meat. You should try it out. Me, I love it that way. So anyway, that was just by the way. So now then I'll add in my pilau masala, which is already mixed. Like, it came with cumin seeds, black pepper, cinnamon, cardamoms, and cloves. Yes, so those are the ingredients that you're going to use. Yeah, and I forgot to tell you, like, in that garlic paste of mine, it's garlic and ginger. Yeah, it's garlic and ginger. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. So let me see you in a few. Then always try as much as possible to use less of fatty meat when cooking your pilau. Like, just try having the bony parts of beef, and yeah, the other parts, because first you see some beef parts, they're usually just like so stretchy and they azitafuniki. So just to avoid embarrassment, just use mostly the bony parts and the other real rough or hard meat. Yeah, avoid the fatty. Yeah. Now I'll add in tomato paste. This is almost the last part of my cooking, and then after that I'll mix it in. Then now I'll mix in my rice to the ingredients. Then later on add boiled water. For some, they love it adding water first before the rice. So it just depends with how you like it. But for me, I like it adding the rice before water so that the spices can infuse very nicely with the rice. Yeah. So then after that, I'll just cover it and allow it to cook. And also remember, use warm water. Not warm, hot water. Yeah, and also you can use soy sauce. Yeah, for those who like the taste of it. So yeah, I guess we're almost done. So let's cover it, let it cook. Yeah. My rice is almost ready. So yeah, let me just give it time to settle and dry. Yeah. You can also add charcoal on top of a lid if you want it to cook like quickly. Yeah, in case your rice still looks damp and maybe you're sensing it's burning, you can put charcoal on the lid on top so that the rice on top cannot be soggy. Nitoke moja moja. Okay. So next, meanwhile, let's make our salsa. Yeah. Yes, I just said salsa. Anyway, most of you know this what I'm about to I like to call it kachumbari, but in the culinary dictionary or in the culinary language we call it salsa. Yeah, so at least nakuchano na kitu moja. So when you go to a hotel, just say give me a rice, chicken, and some salsa on the side. Yeah, so let's make it. So mine, I'll just use onions, tomatoes, and squeeze in a bit of a lemon, and I'll dress it with coriander leaves. Yeah, just for presentation and all of that. Yeah, so stay tuned. And voila, here is our end product. Here is my pilau. Yeah, doesn't it look so nice and amazing? For me, I just love it. Yeah, so as you can see, my rice iko moja moja. It's like it came out perfectly. It was well done. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. So just have a view of it and let me know. Did you enjoy it?